The Olympus BX3M series of upright microscopes has been developed and designed for industry and materials science. Newly configured hardware guides the user to achieve optimal illumination and focus, making the microscope easy to operate. Together with Olympus Stream image analysis software, users can seamlessly acquire, process, and measure images. In addition, users can create reports with the touch of a button. Our leading-edge optics are engineered to provide advanced performance and durability. The BX3M series provides excellent observation methods for materials science applications, including bright field, dark field, polarized light, and differential interference contrast. Based on technology from our DSX digital microscopes, the BX3M also offers Olympus directional dark field and mix illumination. The 16 LEDs in the mix slider shine directional dark field on the sample, similar to traditional dark field, but with more flexibility. Operators can adjust the amount and direction of light using an intuitive handset. Using this new technique is especially helpful to determine raised surfaces from depressions. Directional dark field can also be combined with other optical techniques, creating mix illumination. This flexibility allows you to see features and structures of your sample that are traditionally difficult to detect with a single observation method. For traditional observation methods, setting the illumination intensity with Light Manager saves time and minimizes operator training. Light Manager works with coded hardware by adjusting the illumination intensity to preset values when the magnification and observation method are changed. This takes the guesswork out of optimizing the lighting. Panoramic imaging expands the field of view when the region of interest exceeds that of a single magnified image. Creating a panoramic image with instant multiple image alignment, or instant MIA, is now possible by simply moving the knobs on the stage. When a motorized stage is used, an overview map enables easy navigation of the sample. When a sample's topography extends beyond the depth of focus, Extended Focus Image, or EFI, enables you to use the fine focus adjustment on the microscope and combine many images taken at different Z levels to create a single image that is entirely in focus. This acquisition can be viewed as a 3D image at various angles and as a color map. When using a Z encoder, measurements can be performed on the profile. New functions in Olympus Stream have improved overall reproducibility and ease of use, such as Restore Device Status and our Auto Calibration feature. For more than 90 years, Olympus has been a leader in microscope design. Our microscopes are constructed with the user in mind and feature an ergonomic design, advanced optics, industry-leading modularity, and powerful software. The BX3M's strong focus on intuitive imaging and functionality reflects our commitment to creating innovative microscopy solutions to support the needs of our customers. For more information, contact your local representative or visit our website at www.olympus-ims.com.